What's up, everybody? Um, Back this morning. It's early in the morning. It's about 6:47. And no, this is not a school day or nothing like that. This is summertime. Coming to y'all. Um, I haven't slept all night. I used to do this all the time. This is about one of the first days that I did this. Probably end up and go to sleep for a couple hours in a little bit. But anyway, just kind of pop in and show y'all this Zippo. As y'all can see, yeah, right there, the Zippo lighter. Coming, my bad. Zippo lighter. It's nice. Zippo lighter instruction. And I got a woof. Yeah, get that woof. It's nice. It's really nice. It's a nice compact lighter. It's all white. All white. It's bright too. It's real bright. Anyway, that's how it looks. I've been using it a little bit, so it's not that new. It should work. And the fan just blew it out. I got a fan running just so y'all know. But anyway, that's that was my update on the Zippo lighter. It's really early. I'm tired. Sadie's asleep. She's actually on here right now. I'm gonna hold this up to the camera and see if y'all can hear it. Okay. I'm not gonna leave that up there long. But anyway, she's asleep. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Anyway. As you can see, I'm tired. It's really early in the morning. Got the Zippo yesterday. I meant to make the video then. Yeah, I didn't get around to making this video. But I told y'all I was back, and I make videos every day or every other day, and it's been been a day. It's been a day because I didn't make one yesterday. I didn't make one yesterday. Anyway, I'm back to make videos non-stop. New merchandise coming soon. Hat, shirt, hoodie, toast on it, toast on the hoodie, on the hat, toast on the hoodie. YouTube shirts coming soon. This weekend we're gonna do a big, but we're gonna try. We know money, but you know how we do, cashing out every day. Ain't no big, but we're gonna get back to it. That's about it for this update. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great morning, a great night, whatever. Comment, subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later. Alright. All my fault.
Hey, this the remix, and I'm the prefix. You know, this rock and roll street. Hand me the mic.